Hey kids, so now we've got our scroller from going from side to side and we've got it going the correct way. What we need to do is go and grab a sprite and we need to go and say, set my sprite to our kind of player. So what we're going to do is, let's go and call this a proper name. So instead of calling it my sprite, let's call it pirate. So we call it is my pirate. And so we're going to change my pirate to a asset that I've got, and our pirate is here with the skull and crossbones in the middle with the red sails, and it's called pirate ship. Okay, so that is our kind of player, and our player should appear in the middle. Let's go and refresh our game. There we are. So now you can see that our pirate ship looks like it's sailing. Okay. While we're here, because this is going to be very short, we want to go and grab my sprite with moving it with buttons, which is here, which is in the first one. So go to controller, go to move my sprite with buttons, and then we want to go into here. And we want to change this because my sprite isn't my sprite anymore. You can see that we get this triangle. And this triangle here tells me that the variable my sprite has never been assigned. What that means is at the top here, I'll get rid of that, is my pirate here is actually my pirate, not my sprite. So we need to go and change this to my pirate, and this should disappear. There we go, and this will go and play properly. Right, go and do that. Go and make sure that you don't have a black triangle, and you're good to go.